Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There are lots of kitchen tools that we can have, but silent, magical heroes like this strainer from Kafoor are really what makes cooking so much easier. This strainer is not just another kitchen tool. It's a basic silent hero. It's made out of really great quality grade stainless steel, and it makes straining tasks with small foods so much easier. I love that the handle is really easy to grip, even when you're working with steamy food. I also really like that at the end, it has an additional handle, making it even easier to make sure that you strain things properly. I've been using this in all different types of cooking, whether it be small grain items that will not sink through or with just everyday meal prep, and it really is such a time saver. You can tell that they get it, that working in the kitchen with really great tools is really something that helps you so much to get things done. I wanted this strainer so that I could easily rinse different things like quinoa or fine grain pastas, but honestly, it's such a great strainer. I've been using it all the time in the kitchen. If you're looking for a great little superhero like this one to help you with meal prep, you definitely have to check this out. And that's my point of view.